Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my top 5 current favorite lipstick video for you guys. I love lipsticks so much, as you guys probably know from my channel already, and I just wanted to share a couple of my favorites right now. These are like, 5 that I've been wearing a lot. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. It's gonna be quick, but I just wanted to share some cute colors with you guys. The first color I wanted to share with you guys is the color that I'm currently wearing right now. This is from MAC. The shade is 316 Devoted to Chili, and it's part of their Powder Kiss line, Powder Kiss lipstick line. This is what the color looks like. I've talked about this before, I think, but it's a beautiful, beautiful red shade. It just looks like this. I have Chili as well, but this color is a little bit more like pinky. It's got a little bit more like blue tone to it. I feel like Chili is a little bit more warm tone, so this is like a cool tone Chili. And also I love the Powder Kiss lipsticks. They're so light, they don't feel like anything. And also it's like kind of like matte, so if you guys like are more into matte lipsticks rather than like the traditional kind of lipstick, cream lipstick vibes, definitely check out MAC's Powder Kiss line. First one, MAC Powder Kiss Devoted to Chili 316. All right, so I just put on the next one, which is low-key similar to MAC's Powder Kiss. It's got a little bit less red tones in it. It's a little bit more coral, it's a little bit more orange, more warm tone. It's kind of like the matte version of MAC's Chili, but this is from Roman, one of my favorite makeup brands, and this is part of their lipstick line. I love the packaging. It's so beautiful. It's kind of like gray, and then I love the font, but Roman lipstick. This is in the shade 02, and let me just swatch this for you guys. So this is the color compared to MAC's Chili. It's a little bit more brick toned, as I mentioned, just really perfect. I feel like it's a great everyday color. So if you guys are looking for a nice warm toned coral shade that's not as pigmented as the MAC one, I really recommend Roman's 2. And the packaging is really nice as well, and it feels very lightweight. I feel like the texture is very similar to the MAC one. So yeah, this next one is a little bit more glossy and more pinky cherry toned. Really beautiful transition shade. I feel like NARS Gypsy, I really like this lipstick as well. This is, what's it called? Yeah, it's a sheer lipstick from NARS, and classic NARS packaging. Let me swatch it on my hands. Another really popular shade as well. 就是被种草 from 小红书. That's the color right there. It's like a berry color, a really beautiful berry color. You can wear it, obviously more sheer, or apply it a little bit more pigmented, like I did just now. And it's just like a really beautiful spring color. So that is what it looks like. Just a beautiful kind of like jam color. I feel like you can't go wrong with NARS lip products. They're just really beautiful. And yeah, this is the color Gypsy. I also have Mona? Yeah, Mona, but I love Gypsy, so talking about it today. All right guys, next color is one of my favorites, Roman Juicy Lasting Tint. I'm obsessed. This is in the shade number 06 Fig Fig. I kid you not, I literally wear this like literally almost every day, especially if I go into the office. It's got to be this color. Let me just swatch it for you guys. My favorite one out of their Juicy Lasting line. That's what the color looks like. It's a really beautiful pinky purple color. It's like my perfect My Lips But Better shade. It's just so good, and the lasting power is great as well. I love Juicy Lasting tints, so I literally love this color so much. My everyday color, My Lips But Better vibes. You can't get a better like mixture of like a pink purple lip tint. I love the texture as well. It's a lip tint, so it lasts longer than like a traditional lipstick, and it feels like nothing, and I'm just obsessed. So Fig Fig 06 Roman, favorite color ever. Last color guys, the deepest for last. This is also a Roman Juicy Lasting Tint. This is my second one guys. I love this color so much. It's in Deep Sangria. I'm gonna put it right here in the middle, but it's just like a beautiful cherry cola color right here in the middle. This one, oh my god, it's beautiful. It's like a really nice purple red, and it's a lip stain, and it's just so beautiful. Like literally one of my favorite day to night colors is this color. I like to wear it in the daytime a little bit more sheer, and at night I like to put on like 2 layers. It's just a really beautiful winter color, but I love it. It's like a nice wine red color as like a lip stain. It lasts so long. I've talked about this so much. So we love Romance Juicy Lasting Tint in 21 Deep Sangria. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Super short, but I just wanted to share with you guys my current lipsticks for now. I hope you guys had a great time watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.